Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have a special treat there for you. Your word of the day is one step at a time. No matter if you take 1 day at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 minute at a time, or 1 second at a time, as long as every single day you are at least taking a step forward towards your dreams and making things happen. Do not give up. In no time, you're going to be over that mountain, into your promised land, into your bliss. But if you're worried by looking ahead in the future, it makes it seem like the journey is much harder, and that may stop you, stutter, and frustrate you along the journey. Do not do that. We have no days to waste right now. 1 step at a time. Take your time. You'll pick your head up, and you'll be in the right place at the right time where you want to be. I see the mountain ahead and dedicate myself to taking 1 small step at a time. I make progress in staying focused on the present moment, the current task. Thus, I regain my ease of living. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.